Oh, you love using LinkedIn because LinkedIn is a professional network. And do you know there is a new features already in the LinkedIn, which is called LinkedIn Stories. Like few months ago when Facebook opened it up to story and now it became very popular. And now that functionality is available in LinkedIn as well too. How to do that, right? Not a problem. I'm going to show you step by step how you can update a really good story to your LinkedIn profile and become successful. So let's get started.
After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah.
Sure, it happened. Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand to them?
The reason is you should putting in the story is when you're putting the story in your LinkedIn, there's a lot of other people gonna see your story. So that's why the story is so powerful, like a post, because when you do the story, it has a lot of organic reach. So a lot of people are gonna see it because not a lot of people are creating stories. So that's why creating story is quite powerful way to send a message to a lot of people and let them really see what you are sharing. So that's why in Pro Academy now, everybody gonna share the story through the LinkedIn story as well too. So how to do that, right? So first thing first, let's say you got a Slack, right? You got a link in a Google Drive, how to download the story. So let's say you're gonna click that link. And when you do that, you basically get get an account to log in. So you just select that one and then it will show you the story. You can see there's a couple of story here. You can click and play it, but all you need to do, we're gonna just click the +3 icon and then you can press the download. And when you do the download, it's gonna start to download the video here for you. And basically you can see that video is still downloading. It's gonna take a while because just few seconds because the story is very small. So now the next step is about uploading the story, how you can really upload the story into the LinkedIn. So to do that one, so first thing first, you're going to click the LinkedIn app, and that's the way your LinkedIn app is on already. So the very next thing is about, oh, there's a nice story. I'm going to put a like here. So the next thing is about make sure that you are in the home. If you're in somewhere else, it's not going to work. It should be in the home. Make sure you are in the home. Then you can see the top left corner, there is a story icon over there. You can click into that one, and as soon clicking this one, it will bring you to camera. But you can make sure that you go to the gallery right now because you have downloaded, right? So now this is the story I have downloaded. So I'm going to select the story.
But however,
and you can see it's already playing. So all you need to do is about this, and you can see the whole story, and it's taking the whole script into it. Now it's very simple. Now all you need to do, you can see the share the story, click that button in the bottom right corner, you click this one, and your story is loading up right now. And you can see there's an icon showing up, and the story is up. So now you can see that the story is uploading already. So how you can see your own story, just click your own story, and then it will show you what is your present story, and you can showing that it's finishing up. And then when the story is uploaded, even you can see it, how many people saw your story in the bottom left corner too as well. And that's an amazing way to see how your story performing and so on. So that's basically it. That's the way you can get a great story and upload in your LinkedIn profile. And more importantly, not only one story, probably the team will give you 2 to 3 or even 4 story per day. So basically you just download each of the video from the link Google Drive and keep uploading into it. That's basically it. So story is an underused approach in LinkedIn because it's new features, and new features always has a high organic reach. So let's use that advantage to send your story to more people and let them know what amazing things you are working on, so they will be able to extend their hand to work with you and take the things forward. All the best.
you.